Hi everyone, welcome back. This week I'll be making spaghetti aglio e olio. For today's recipe, I'll be using Parmesan cheese, red pepper, olive oil, salt, pepper, parsley, garlic, and gluten-free pasta. Okay, here we go.
Put it to boil. And we're going to add lots of salt and a little bit of olive oil. Just waiting for the water to boil.
I'm just waiting for the water to boil.
Okay, I'm going to add the pasta here. Okay, the pasta's ready. One thing to remember is before you drain the pasta, scoop out a cup or two of the pasta water, because we're going to use that eventually in whatever the sauce is. It helps combine the pasta and the sauce. So we want to keep at least a cup of pasta water. So I just have a cup sitting nearby here, just in case I forget, which I often do.
This part's gonna go fast, so there might be, unlike any of the other recipes I've done, where there's a lot of waiting around. This is kind of like you guys kind of got to keep it moving the whole time in order to not ruin it. So I'm not going to talk too much during this part. Okay, we want to be really careful to not burn the garlic here. Once it's cooking, we're going to add the red pepper. We're going to add the salt, black pepper, and the parsley, and stir it around. Following that, we're going to add the spaghetti to the pan along with the pasta water and mix it all together. So there it is, spaghetti aglio e olio. Thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed doing it for you, and I'll see you soon. Watch Mark's reaction when he realizes our cameras are still rolling.